i2b2 tranSMART is a modular open-source software platform for query, exploration, and analysis of clinical, translational, and genomics data. Many tools exist for working with these types of data, but what makes i2b2 tranSMART different is a flexible, ontology-driven architecture and community-developed plugins and interfaces which enable a variety of configurations to support the needs of data scientists, academic clinical investigators, and industry. i2b2 tranSMART brings together two core software products that have been used by research institutions around the world for more than a decade. Informatics for Integrating Biology in the Bedside, or i2b2, is an NIH-funded enterprise clinical research platform which contains a database model, application layer, and core APIs. tranSMART is a suite of data exploration, visualization, and ETL tools which were developed by pharma for translational research studies. Numerous plugins and third-party products have been developed to extend the functionality of i2b2 and tranSMART, and although institutions have the flexibility to use their own data sources and local medical coding systems, they also have access to a variety of resource libraries that provide standardized ontologies, example datasets, and data loading tools to help them get started. The modular architecture of i2b2 tranSMART supports many use cases. For example, large hospitals and medical centers load data on millions of patients into i2b2 to evaluate clinical trial feasibility and to accelerate patient recruitment. Through a web-based query tool, investigators can define complex inclusion and exclusion criteria, apply temporal and value-based constraints, and access patient notes and biobank data. Translational studies use the picture software to integrate clinical and genomic data from multiple sources. Clinicians and data scientists explore and analyze the data with tranSMART and tools from third-party companies like the Hive. Users can also query the picture APIs programmatically through software such as Jupyter and connect to Hail for large-scale genomic research. Institutions that map their local coding systems to a common ontology can use the Shrine software to build federated data networks which protect patient privacy by keeping the data within each hospital's local i2b2 database. The largest Shrine networks contain data on more than 100 million patients, enabling large population-wide studies. It is important to note that these different architectures can be combined so that an institution can use the same i2b2 core database for more than one use case. This flexibility is what makes i2b2 tranSMART unique and is the main reason why the platform has been adopted by more than 200 institutions worldwide. For free software downloads, documentation, and information on how you can contribute to i2b2 tranSMART, visit transmartfoundation.org.